Hi everyone, today we're doing a quick activity here at Steam Powered Family, doing a crayon melt pumpkin decorating project. This is a really simple project that teaches your kids about melting temperatures, heat transfer, and basically how wax melts, which is what crayons are made out of. So I've got a pumpkin. I went with one that's got some lighter colors in it, so that my colors that I use for the crayons will show up really well, but you can definitely use an orange pumpkin as well. We can do one in a moment here so you can see what that one looks like. And then you want your crayons. So I've got my crayons here. I went with just like a rainbow color for that. And then I'm using a heat gun. So this is just a regular heat gun. You could also use a hair dryer, or if you live in a climate where it's warm, not here in Canada, you could do this outside in the sun. And we do have an activity on the site where we make crayon art on rocks that are set out in the sun. So, and to do that, you could even set up a little solar oven to make your crayons. So I'm going to get started here, and all you need to do is get your colors ready. So I'm going to start with a red crayon. You're going to position it where you want it, and then you're just going to turn on your heat gun. And you see the colors will start to melt quite quickly, and they dry very quickly. There's some red on there. Just gonna get that off of my heat gun. Now we'll grab some yellow. And I'm just gonna turn this a bit, and I'm gonna add some yellow in here. And you'll get to see all those colors start to mix. Now we'll move to some orange. I'm just going to go behind here and kind of encourage it to come down. There we go. So there you can see we've got the first few colors on there. So I can go back and I can add more colors as I want. And I'm just going to keep on going around and keep adding more colors. And now you can take the papers off of the crayons. It can be a little easier. It is easier on little fingers if you don't have really short crayons. The longer crayons, it makes it a little easier to keep fingers out of the way. So I'm going to keep going with our colors here. So it will dry very, very quickly and harden because it is crayon wax. And then when it's done, you will see that we have a beautiful, colorful pumpkin that we created without having to do any carving. And it's just beautiful and fun. And it gives kids a chance to learn, like I said, about melting points and about how crayons are actually made with wax, the same as candles. In fact, we do have an activity on the site that I'll link to in the description for making crayon candles. So you can take your old broken crayons and turn them into candles. So that's just a fun, quick activity, craft you can do for Halloween to decorate some pumpkins and make them really look cool and special. Enjoy. Have a great one.